Hi, welcome to Top Notch. My name is Josh, and I'm sitting here in one of our Teslas we have for sale. So the advantage of getting one of these cars is you don't have to pay for gas. Like I had a customer who drove one of these vehicles from here to Texas and back, and it cost them $250 in charging fees. So very economic. Also, they're very fun to drive, and they have cool sound effects on them, just like this one. So come down to Top Notch Auto and check them out. We have 4 of them in stock right now, red, white, blue, and gray. So come down and check them out. Thank you very much.